Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming control mapping and a healthy stamina bar. Use the right stick for horizontal head sway. Hold L2 or LT to steady and reduce overcommitment. Once done, position at striking range. Too close and your sway clips will fail, too far and you can't punish. You want roughly 1 to 2 steps outside your opponent's rear hand range. Make sure to keep small, controlled motions. This gives you the timing window to bait and counter accurately. Now focus on execution. Tap the right stick into a quick sway just before an expected strike, and you'll slip cleanly. Use short jabs and feints to provoke reckless responses. Once the opponent commits, punish with a straight or hook. Timing matters. Initiate the sway fractionally before their animation reaches full extension, so their punch passes your head. Make sure to reset stance quickly and avoid holding the sway input, because prolonged sway drains stamina and leaves you open to leg kicks or clinch entries. Finish the sequence by chaining a quick counter immediately after a successful sway. A 1-2 or a cross lands best. Mix in a check hook if they overcommit. If the sway doesn't register, don't panic. Step out, circle, or initiate a clinch to reset range and recover stamina. Once done, vary your timing by a few tenths of a second to avoid predictability. Make sure to monitor stamina and opponent tendencies. Adapting these final small changes keeps the sway tactic reliable and high percentage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.